Part 2, statistics. First, I want to talk about what is median. So if we have a list of group of numbers from least to the greatest, the median of the group is the number in the middle. So the median, for example, we have 4, 5, 7, 8, and 11. The median would be the number in the middle, which is not the least nor the greatest. If there is an even number of numbers in the group, then the median is the average of the middle two numbers. For example, we have 4, 5, 5, 7, 8, 11. So we have 5 and 7 in the middle. So the median would be 6. Number 2, what is mode? The mode of a group of numbers is the number that appears the most frequently in the group. For example, we have 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the mode is 3. Number 3, range. The range of a group of numbers is the difference between the greatest number and the least. For example, 9, 13, 2, 11, and 5. The least is 2. The greatest is 13. So the range is 13 minus 2, which is 11. Okay, sample question number 1. Suppose the following are your grades on tests this year. We have 73, 84, 100, 91, 92, 96, and 84. What is the average? So average definition is sum of all grades divided by the number of grades. So how do we sum them up? We have 73 plus 84 plus all the way till 84. How many numbers in total that we are adding? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So divide by 7. So that's the definition for average. B, what is the median of your test scores? Remember, median is the middle number. However, we have 7 numbers here. That's 73 is the smallest. And then 91, 73, 84, 84, and 91. So 91 would be the median of this group. We have to sort the numbers from the least 73, 84, 84, 91, 92, 96, and 100. We sort them from least to the greatest, so we find the median. C, what is the mode of your test scores? Since you sort them already, you find the most frequent numbers that shows up, which is 84. Question number 2. The mean of a set of 5 different positive integers is 15. The median is 18. What is the maximum possible value of the largest of these 5 integers? Okay, in this problem, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 3 has to be 18 because 18 is the median of the 5 numbers. And we know the total of the 5 because we know the mean. The mean of 5 different numbers, we can get to the total of the 5 different numbers, which is 75. Okay, that's the total. And we want to maximize the largest number. So we have to minimize all the other 3 numbers. So how to minimize? The first one, remember, we wanted 5 different positive positive whole numbers. So the first one you can ever have is 1. The second one you can have a different one that has to be 2. And we want to minimize this number too. This number has to be greater than 18, so that can only be 19. So since we know the total, we use 75 minus all other 4 numbers. So therefore, that would give you the final answer for the 5th number. Question number 3. You have to choose one of your 4 people in your math club to be your partner on a math assignment. You'd like to choose someone who is very good at math. Here are their scores: Anna, Bob, Carol, and Doug. So we want to find out the highest average score. We talk about this. Average score, you add all the scores up and divide it by the number of scores. B, what is the highest median? Median, you need to sort all the scores, right, from the least to the greatest. Then you can find the median in the middle. C, which student has the highest mode score, which number shows up most frequently. D, which student would you choose as your partner? Explain why. So this really does not have a definitive answer. So in general, you want to choose someone with a consistent performance. That means you want the student to have the highest average score. So that student always performs well. Or it depends on the the contest. Sometimes it's a timed test. Sometimes it's whoever gets the answer in the shortest amount of time. So students would perform differently. But in general, you want the students to have consistent performance, which we would recommend to have the highest average score. Question number 4. A student got the following scores on her 5 weekly math quizzes. And what is the least possible score she would get on the 6th quiz so that her median score would be 78? So we want to sort the 5 numbers first. 38, 65, 74, 82, and 86. So now we have 5 numbers. We want to add in one more. The median would be 78. So with the 6 numbers, total of 6 numbers, remember the median would be the average of the middle 2 numbers. You want to add in one more number here. So the average of the middle 2 numbers is 78. So 74 plus something equals to 78 multiplied 2, which means 74 plus something, the average equals to 78. So either way you can think about this problem. So this missing number has to be bigger than this one and give you an average of 78, which is 82. So 82, 74, the average is 78. That's the median of the 6.